Well, these are so much fun to make. I decided to make a few more. I have been using different papers, and I have some of these beads, and so just combining different materials, I thought I'd kind of give it a try. And so there's a lot of collage basically, and the closures are there just so that you can put more stuff in and then kind of wrap them up. And just little things that are kind of fun. And so they're pretty much exactly the same except for the front collage. They're made with a paper bag, a brown bag that I've tea dyed. In the back they all have a sheet of Japanese dictionary and a coffee dyed index card, and then the inside is pretty much all the same. Just for fun, I have some puzzle pieces that I love because they're vintage and they're really thick, and I just like how they feel. And so there's just little bits to write on tucked in, nothing super, super detailed. Some lace, some little pockets, places to tuck some little bits, lace, some hand-dyed paper, just the papers that I've been playing around with lately. So pretty much another little bit of puzzles in here. Lots of space to write in or add your own, some watercolor paper, and lots of room for your own things, and taking these things out, or writing or drawing and tucking things in. So just sweet little things that are easy to, so yeah, they're like I said, they're really the same. Completely the same with the puzzle pieces and everything inside of the little puzzle. And I'll probably put these on Etsy just for fun. They're really fun to make. It's fun to try different themes and materials and different colors and different just spend a day making, choosing some things and making something with it. So, and all of these beads are really adorable. So, all right, thanks.